So today I'm gonna do my makeup on the floor because I have nowhere else to do it. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mariel and today's video is gonna be a fall makeup look. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, well, welcome back. Let's put my subpar makeup skills to the test today. It's gonna be inspired on some of the makeup looks that I've been seeing on my Pinterest lately, so I just hope it doesn't come out horrible. Okay, so let's get started. I have right now a clean face. I already washed my face, I toned it, I moisturized it. So now I'm gonna go on with some foundation. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Instafix foundation in the color medium beige, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. I really don't wear foundation most of the time, but I want to do it how you're supposed to do it so people that actually know about makeup can feel like I'm trying. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie up my hair real quick, and I'm gonna proceed with applying some foundation. Like a red thing on my face. I'm also gonna go ahead and put on some lip balm so my lips are ready when I decide to put some lipstick on them. Okay, my lips are hydrated. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. brow pencil in the color neutral brown. Okay, so my eyebrows seem done. I really can't tell that much. Wait, no, they're not done. There's like a big hole here. Okay, now that's better. Yeah, now they're done. My eyebrows are done, and I'm gonna move on to applying some concealer. I'm gonna apply the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I don't seem that horrible anymore. Now, I am gonna go with, I'm gonna start doing my eyes. Before I do that, I'm gonna put a little bit of BB cream on them just so it helps prep them for the eyeshadow so that the colors pop out a little bit more. I'm gonna use a CoverGirl Clean Matte BB cream. And in the color 530 light/medium. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Don't panic. Oh wow, that is a lot. Oh my god, what did I just do? Why must I be a teenager in love? Okay, so now I'm gonna get started with my eyes, which is pretty much my favorite part about makeup. I love it because you can pretty much do anything with your eyes. The sky is pretty much the limit. The reason why I wanted to do this makeup look or a fall makeup look was because I just got this e.l.f. palette and the colors, oh my gosh, they're so amazing. I love buying makeup even though I don't really wear that much makeup at all. Like my day-to-day look is just sunblock and a little bit of self-confidence. But this palette is just, it's gorgeous. Look at those colors. I mean, wow. This is the, oh my god, I don't know what palette this is. Let's do some research on Pinterest right now. Gotta get some of that inspiration. Okay, so a fall makeup look, I guess it's mostly fall colors, yellow, orange, red, and brown. But I want it to be a little bit more like, whoa, you know? I think I'm gonna start by defining my crease with a lighter color, or with a like light brown color. I'm gonna use this one on my e.l.f. palette to define my crease, so it gives it a little bit more dimension, because right now it seems like there's nothing there. Nada. Okay. Ooh, wow. Whoa. These are like pretty pigmented. I didn't expect it to have that much color. It's not bad because it was actually a pretty light brown. Those really don't tend to show on my face, so pretty good so far. Worth the $10. Now that I've got that on one eye, I'm just gonna proceed and do that on the next one. So I think I'm gonna go for this orange color next. Also sort of on the outer edge of my eye, just to see how it goes. Whoa, look at that. Can you see the color on the brush? It's so amazing. Okay, I am in love. And I'm gonna pull it a bit to my crease. Okay, I think I went overboard on this eye. You can definitely tell that it's way more pigmented than that one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab another brush and I'm just gonna sort of fade it out, because I don't want it to be like yet, so kind of working. Okay, not that bad. Now I'm gonna balance it out on this eye so it doesn't look like I painted my face with my eyes closed. So right now we're going for a punch in the face, but make it fashion. Okay, not bad. Now I think I'm gonna go for this color here in the middle. It's for the center of my eye, so it makes it pop, and maybe a little bit of yellow in the inner corner of my eye. Let's just see how that goes. That thing is brighter than my future. Shine bright like a diamond, baby. Shine bright like a diamond. Like it because it's subtle, but I really did expect the yellow to show a little bit more, because you can barely see it. It's like I expected it to be a little bit more intense, but I'm just gonna build it up a bit more. And I'm trying real hard to blend it with the shiny color that I put here, the little copperish one. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, so this does not look bad at all. I mean, look at that. Not bad. So I think I'm just gonna grab maybe another color and put it here to sort of frame my eyes. Since it's like pretty out there, I'm not gonna wear any eyeliner because I'm also afraid I might ruin the whole eyeshadow thing, but we're gonna work on it. I'm also thinking about a little accent here for my brow bone. So let's see how it goes. It's the same color, the orange color here at the bottom, but with this brush because it'll be a little bit more of a fine line. Not bad, okay. And now something for the brow bone. Well, first I'm gonna like work a little bit more in here in the middle, so it's like boom, bitch. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna leave the little brow bones for the highlighter. Right now I'm just gonna put on some mascara and my eyes will be pretty much done. It's not that bad, I mean, for... Okay, I'm gonna brush my eyelashes. I'm and I'm gonna try my best not to mess this up. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, so one eye is done. Oh my gosh, the difference is pretty interesting.
I said it before and I'll say it again. I love you.
Okay, so now you can actually tell I have high lashes. I am just gonna go brush over them in case I got any clumps and lumps in there. And then I'm gonna try and correct some of the smears that I got of mascara on my eyelids. Okay, now I'm gonna use Q-tips to correct some mishaps that may or may not have happened with mascara on my eyeshadow work. So I'm just gonna do this and gently remove them. And I'm gonna reapply some of that yellow eyeshadow because that's mostly where I got my little mascara mistakes. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna proceed with some blush. I don't think I'm gonna go with bronzer because this already is a very heavy, maybe a little bit of bronzer. With some blush, a little bit of bronzer, and I think some highlighter. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Forever 21 bronzer palette because it's actually the only one I have. And I'm gonna use the medium color. This one. Right here.
I said it before and I'll say it again. I love you.
Okay, I'm also gonna apply some on my jawline so it can be a little bit more defined. But not too much so that it looks like I have a beard. And maybe a little bit more on my forehead so it can seem a little bit slimmer. Okay, I think that is pretty much the best I could do when it comes to that. Now I'm gonna move on to applying some blush. I am going to use the Cream Shop blush in the color Mon Cherie. I think that's how you say it. It just says Mon Cherie Rosé Day. The French are screaming. And it's this one. You should go ahead and bounce so hard to your knees with your forehead. And a little bit here in the center of my nose for that little like sunburned look. Okay, ooh, this is actually pretty cute. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera because I look pale somehow. My Latina bronze look isn't really showing up, but so not that bad. It's pretty cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some highlighter. For that, I'm gonna use this kabuki brush. And the highlighter that I'm gonna use is, I think the highlighter that I'm gonna use is this one. It's Lisa Frank in collaboration with Glamour Dolls Stargazing Shimmer Eyeshadow. It's actually not even highlighter, but I'm gonna use it as such because you do what you gotta do. Something that really icked me when I was a kid was that everybody had such a defined Cupid's bow, and mine is really subtle. It's not very pronounced. And I would look at artists and I would think, hey, why do they have such awesome lips and I don't? But with time, I've actually come to terms with it, and I've come to accept the fact that we're different. And I mean, in this society, you gotta learn how to love who you are, with and without a Cupid's bow. So that's like your 5 seconds of self-love there. And that's it, that's a tweet. Okay, so now highlighter is done, cheeks are done, bronzer's done, eyebrows, eyes, eyelashes. I guess what's left is the lips. Since I have a very heavy eye makeup, I think that the best thing to do would be a subtle lip. I'm gonna see which one I can use because I have like red lips and black. Wait, no, not black, purple. So let's see what I can find. So, anyways, I'm thinking that I should probably use, I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. What are you? Oh, Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the color Toffee. And I think this would really work for this look because it's more like a brownish color and it'll help my eyes pop out. So all my effort I put in there is actually worth it. So let's see how it looks. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably recognize this lipstick. I wore it in my last Insta pic. Wearing another fallish inspired makeup look. Okay. I don't know, this is kind of like a nude color on me. And it feels really weird because I'm used to using such scandalous lipsticks. I'm not sure if I like it though. Overall, I really like this makeup look. I think the colors tie in pretty well. It gives me ultimate autumn vibes. And it came out pretty well. So if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future where I just do a random makeup look, well, make sure to give this video a good old thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below if you want to see a little bit more of this. And well, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!